Respected audience, I, Dr. Preeti Dubey, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Government College for Women, Parade Ground, Jammu, will introduce and demonstrate this Hindi to Dogri machine translation system here today. It is a very simple to use software. As you can see, two text boxes clearly visible. In the top text box, we will paste the Hindi text. We can type the Hindi text or paste it, or we can even choose a already written text file. The text should be in Unicode. Click on translate and the lower text box will show the output in Dogri. So to demonstrate this, I have already taken some text from online news to save on the time. So I'm going to paste this text here, click on translate. And ये फिल्म मजदूर मट्टो और उसकी साइकिल की कहानी है जो जिंदगी नाम के परमानेंट लॉकडाउन में फंसा है। उसकी नीची जात और गरीबी उसे बीमार कर रहे हैं। It has been translated as ਇਹ ਫਿਲਮ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰ ਮੱਟੋ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਾਈਕਲ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਮਨੈਂਟ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ 'ਚ ਫਸੇ ਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹਦੀ ਨੀਚੀ ਜਾਤ ਤੇ ਗਰੀਬੀ ਉਸੀ ਕਸਰੀ ਕਰਾ ਦੇਣ। So this text is completely right. There are no mistakes in the Dogri text. So I'll take another text and paste it here. And this is a very famous poem written by Shri Sohan Lal Dwivedi. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना नहीं अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। So it has been beautifully translated in Dogri as नन्ही चींटी जिसले दाना लइयै चलदी है, चढ़दी दीवारें पर 100 बारी तलैटदी है। मन दा विश्वास रगें च हिम्मत भरोचदा है, चढ़िए डिगना डिगिए चढ़ना नहीं अखरता है। आखिर ओदी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होंदी, कोशिश करने आलें दी हार नहीं होंदी। So as I have seen here, I have noticed 3 mistakes here. First is this nanni. The Hindi word nanni has been passed in the Dogri text as nanni, whereas it should have been nikki. The second mistake is this bharta. Bharta should be translated as parda, whereas it has been translated as parochda. The third mistake is akharta, has been passed as akharta, whereas it should have been akharda. So in this text of about 6 lines, approximately 40 to 42 words, there are only 3 errors that have been noticed. And I would like to state here that most of the times whenever you will take any text and translate using this system, the accuracy comes out to be 98% most of the times. But this can be further improved for text like stories by working on the lexical ambiguity and by increasing the size of the dictionary. Thank you.